All right, design painting group, today is day 2, and your goal is to get your painting to look like this. It should be all drawn out, and you're going to be adding black marker. So step 1, last week, you should have completed this packet. So you scan this QR code, you're watching and pausing the video to figure out what is movement, emphasis, repetition, and variety with unity. Then, after you've watched that, you're doing some sketches for yourself, having a variety with unity design. So if you look at these, I used a square, a triangle, a circle, and a rectangle to repeat shapes and to get those ideas going. We want to have repeated shapes of different sizes and then think about what patterns and designs you could add in. So here's my watercolor paper, and if I'm looking at the top design that kind of starts with triangles, then I'm going to be using tracers to create that. Now if these triangles are not big enough, I could also just use a ruler and draw with that. Then maybe I will use this circle here. So if you draw lightly, you could, it's hard to have this here too so you can see, there we go. So I see that I've got this big circle here. I'm going to add that in. I've got a triangle coming in this way. I might need to use my ruler to extend that line, or I could just move this so that it goes off the page. Then I have a triangle. I need to use a ruler for this one. That kind of comes up here, and then it went all the way out here. I'll need a smaller circle, maybe even smaller for this. And then your shape should overlap. On this one I chose for it to like stop here, so it looks like this is on top of that one. But then here in my sketch, I have it showing so like it's not clear what's in front and what's behind because the line goes through. Then I've got another triangle coming up through this way. A great thing to do with this is to kind of rotate the drawing and see if it still looks balanced. Right now it kind of looks empty here. I rotate it again. Yep, I agree. Still looks empty here. So the original design does have another triangle coming in up here, and it's a very narrow one. So probably I should draw that one myself instead of using the tracer. Okay, and I've got a very small circle there. I do have a green sheet of circles if you need an even smaller one, which I think I might want a smaller. Then after this, you're going to get a Sharpie marker, go over all of your lines so they're nice and crisp. In order for that to be a nice straight line, you're going to need to put your ruler back on when you're using those markers. So hopefully by the end of the class today, you'll have a nice black and white image that you'll be ready to paint next week. Good luck.